Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Turn off and disconnect your AirPods before removing ear tips. Wash hands and work on a clean, flat surface nearby. Inspect each ear tip for debris, wax, or tears before removal. Hold the AirPod firmly and gently pull the ear tip straight outward. Do not twist aggressively or use sharp tools that might damage the speaker mesh. Work slowly and stay steady to avoid dropping the AirPod. Place removed tips on a clean towel and keep track of left and right labeling. Gently pinch the ear tip where it meets the stem and pull outward. If the tip resists, hold the AirPod with the opposite hand and try again. Rinse silicone tips with warm water and mild soap for 10 to 20 seconds. Do not submerge the AirPod body or get water into the speaker mesh. Pat tips dry with a lint-free cloth and air dry fully. Dry tips thoroughly for at least 30 minutes before reattaching to avoid damage. Recheck each tip for residue before moving to reattachment. Align the ear tip tab with the notch and press until you hear a soft click. Confirm a secure seal by gently tugging the tip to ensure it stays attached. If audio is muffled, remove the tip and clean the speaker mesh gently with a dry brush. Test both left and right channels at low volume before normal use. Replace torn tips with official AirPods Pro 2 silicone tips to ensure seal and fit. If problems persist, contact authorized service for further inspection and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.